everyone, Tracy here, bringing you another TradingView tutorial. And today what I want to show you is how to use the ghost feed tool. Now, if you've ever wanted to demonstrate how you think the price is going to move on something, I see a lot of people will do something like this. I think it's going to do something like that. Okay, and again, this is just a demonstration. I just threw some squiggly lines on the chart. That's not really what I think is going to happen. I haven't done any analysis here. I just want to demonstrate the tool. Now, the ghost feed tool can be really handy for this particular objective. And you can find that tool over on the left-hand side, right at the prediction and measurement tools. You want to go down. It is the 8th tool on the list. Click on it, and then what you can do is start your pattern and now just demonstrate what you think might happen, and double click to get out of the tool. And then what it does is it actually puts some ghost candles on the chart, as you can see, and you can actually take these little tabs here and you can move them around and make adjustments if you think, and what have you. You can click and drag the whole thing and move it up or down. But let's just say that this is what you're predicting, something along those lines. And it's kind of a little fun tool, and then you can go ahead and you can publish your results, and this is what you think might happen. So that is the ghost feed tool. I think it's a fun little tool. Check it out. Might make your annotations a little bit easier. Otherwise, happy trading, everyone. Have a great weekend. See you next week. If you found value in this video, please remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Till next time.